Hello everyone, so this is the beginning stages of the nail design we're going to be working on this week. And for my pinky and my thumb, I painted all over. For my pointer finger, my middle finger, my ring finger, I just painted on the French manicure. And the nail polish that I use is by Clean Colors. It's number 139 and it's called Pastel Pink. Really, really pretty pink nail polish. So I'm going to be doing a 3-finger nail art design tutorial this week. So I'm going to be putting hand painting a design on 3 fingers that I have the French manicure on. And my pinky and my thumb, I'm just going to leave solid pink all over. I'm not going to do anything to it. I already top coated that nail. So this is the colors I'll be using. It's quite a few different colors. I have like a neon pink. I have a little bit of yellow, white. I have like a Christmas green somewhat. And I have a lime green. Then I have a darker pink. And I have pink and white mixed together. And I have a little bit of black as well. So those are the colors I will be working with. I'm going to go ahead and get started because, like I said, I'm going to be doing a 3-finger tutorial. So I'm going to be doing a nail art design on the 3 fingers that you see with the French manicure on it. So that is basically it for this nail design. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think. And I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.